Hi friends, self-confidence is a quality that helps you overcome obstacles, set ambitious goals, and achieve them. But how to develop this confidence if you doubt your abilities? The answer can be found in the philosophy of the Stoics. They taught that confidence is born from inner calm and realization of one's nature. In this video, we'll explore how to become more confident step by step, using time-tested Stoic principles. We will look at 5 key steps, from understanding your strengths to coping with criticism and maintaining internal balance. Each of these steps will help you become stronger, more confident, and more harmonious. Ready for transformation? Then let's get started. 1. Realizing your inner strength. Confidence begins with understanding who you are. The Stoics believed that every person had an inner core, their mind, character, and values. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You can own yourself if you know yourself." The first step is to recognize your strengths. For example, if you are talented in organization or have good communication skills, this is already your base. Real-life example. Think back to a situation when you were dealing with a difficult task. What helped you then? It was your resources. Tip: write a list of your strengths. Include not only professional skills, but also character traits such as patience, kindness, or perseverance. This list will serve as a reminder that you already have what it takes to succeed. 2. Managing your fears. Self-confidence is often blocked by fears. Fear of failure, judgment, or the unknown. Seneca said, "We suffer more in our imagination than in reality." This means that our fears are most often exaggerated. For example, you are afraid to speak in front of an audience. Imagine the worst-case scenario. You might forget your words or someone will shake their head. But even if that happens, the world won't fall apart. The Stoics taught, embrace fear as an opportunity to grow. Tip: try the fear ladder method. Start small, such as speaking in front of friends or co-workers. Gradually increase the scale. This way you will get used to the situation and the fear will go away. 3. Practicing action. Confidence comes through experience. The Stoics argued that actions are more important than words. Let your deeds speak for you, Epictetus wrote. If you want to become confident, start taking action, even if you doubt your abilities. Imagine you want to learn a new skill, such as starting a business. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment. Take the first step, research the market, find a mentor, or make a plan. Each small success builds your confidence in yourself. Tip: set daily tasks that are a little outside your comfort zone. These can be calls, meetings, or presentations. With each step you complete, your confidence will grow. 4. Acceptance of criticism. The Stoics believed that criticism is not an enemy, but a teacher. It doesn't matter what others say, it matters what you think of yourself, Marcus Aurelius argued. Learning to accept criticism is the key to confidence. For example, if someone criticizes your work, it does not mean that you are incompetent. It may be a chance to improve your skills. Approach criticism from a learning perspective, not a defensive one. Tip: separate constructive criticism from unwarranted attacks. Thank helpful comments and ignore toxic comments. Remember, your opinion of yourself is more important. 5. Maintaining internal balance. Confidence is not only the belief in one's own strength, but also the ability to remain calm in all situations. The Stoics taught that our mind is a fortress that no one can storm without our permission. Example: when faced with failure, it is important not to panic. Remember that every mistake is a lesson. Instead of blaming yourself, ask, what can I learn from this? Tip: practice meditation or breathing exercises. They will help you to keep your mind clear and not lose confidence even in difficult moments. Conclusion: self-confidence is not an innate quality, but a skill that can be developed. Recognize your strengths, manage your fears, take action, accept criticism, and maintain inner balance. Using the principles of the Stoics, you can become stronger, wiser, and more confident. Remember the words of Seneca: confidence is born where there is inner order. Build that order within yourself, and you will see your life change. See you in the next issues.